Hey guys, it's Micah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another vlog, and this probably just be like a few days in my life type thing. I don't have much planned for today, even though it is like 3 o'clock already. About to go to Kroger now, get some groceries, probably have a salad, you know, typical stuff for dinner like I've done before in the What I Eat in a Day vlog. But yeah, nothing much really planned, just that as of now, and I'll probably come back, put all the stuff up obviously, and yeah, we'll see where the night takes us. So yeah, just a really chill look. H&M hoodie, Reporter sweatpants, and Yeezy 350 Boost, I want to say. Really comfortable. Love H&M hoodies. Very soft and cozy. Reporter sweatpants are like a really thick material, so I really like them. But yeah. Just got back from the grocery store. I know it's been an hour because I was running around with my mom, having to take her to like different pharmacies because they're like out of some medicine or something like that. But now I'm back, just chilling, really, with nothing to do. Probably gonna make dinner in like an hour, so it's 4:30. So my window for intermittent fasting is like 2 to 6, like I said billions of times. But yeah, that's all I really have planned for tonight. I may show my workout, the night workout that is. I know it's like really long and extensive, but today is Wednesday, so it's a lifting day. But I think you guys saw that in the last vlog I did, the day in my life. But whatever. Yeah, all I really have planned for tonight is just the workout and making dinner, so I may show some parts of that. And yeah, that's all I really have planned for the rest of today. You can see my outfit here. Same hoodie, just changed it to some running shorts. Got them on Amazon, they're like $15, something like that. And these organic cotton socks that I love. They're extremely soft and comfortable and don't rip at all. And yeah, that's all I really have planned for now. So I'll see you guys probably when I make some dinner later on tonight. When I started it, so it's the next day. Not doing anything really. It's like 3:40 now. I think I'm about to get some food or something and then go over to my grandparents' house and sit over there with them and talk and whatever else you do with grandparents. But yeah, I actually hit a goal of 193 today, so 3 more pounds. I'll be at 100 pounds lost overall. Not really sure what my last goal is, like my final goal, but you know, whatever. Just still in the weight loss process, lifting and stuff. But I don't have much planned for today. It's kind of a boring a few days in my life. It's kind of like an at-home a few days in my life, I'd say. I've seen those before, and those are actually kind of interesting where people like clean their house or do whatever, but I'm a very clean and organized person, so I really don't have to clean that much. But that's beside the point. But yeah, not gonna do much. Just get some food, go over to my grandparents' house, or may not even eat, may eat when I get back, or do like a steak salad, something like that. And yeah, don't have much planned for today. I'm gonna probably show my night workout because tonight is when I do the abs and different stuff. So yeah, I do like the ab workouts and working like my lower stomach, different stuff like that. So probably show that in the vlog too. And yeah, I think that's all I have planned for the rest of today. So I'll see you guys later when I get back from my grandparents. Also, just wanted to show this North Face jacket. It's extremely comfortable. I know there's a ton of jackets that have like the fleece lining on the outside, but not really on the inside. It's like some clear material, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is extremely comfortable and cozy. I love wearing this. You know, it is an extra large, and I do wear a large now, but I don't know, still comfortable. And I love wearing this. It's so cozy and warm. And yeah, I also saw another jacket on TikTok, like the It's Me Tinks account, something like that. But it's by Sunday School, and it's like a tiger mom type jacket. And I'll probably be buying that soon. It's actually available for pre-order now since it was sold out, and they made some more. So I'm probably gonna get that jacket too. But yeah, just a little random thought. of my jacket obsession. So I just got back from my grandparents, and I have this package, boohooMAN. I think it's like 2 jackets. Terrible packaging, but still ready to try these jackets on, and I'll show you guys how they look. This is the first jacket. It's like a long line puffer type. I already had a black one and I really liked it, but I don't know. I thought a cream color would look nice. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is like, I don't know, it's kind of shiny. I don't know, it just looks really weird. A very cheap material. Just looks, yeah, this is probably going back. Not my favorite. It is long like how I like, but this is a very weird jacket. So yeah, this one's a no for me, and will be getting returned. You see the next jacket. Okay, this is the second jacket. It's like a Sherpa type, fleece type jacket. Long one again. You guys know I like long jackets. It has pockets on the side. Any pockets on the inside? Yes. I do not care for the inside of this jacket. It's really weird, but I don't know. I do not like the inside of the jacket, but it looks nice on the outside. Don't really care for the hood, since the hood has the same lining as the inside, and that can be seen by people, so I don't know. It is very warm though, but the inside of the jacket is a big no, but that can't be seen. So I don't know. I may return this one, may keep it. The packaging should have given it away that these two would be not so great. But yeah. It's not bad, but not my favorite. I don't know, I have to sit and think on this one. But the other one is a definite return. So yeah, not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. But I don't know, I kinda like it, but kinda hate it at the same time. We'll see. Time will tell. But so yeah, that's my little boohooMAN haul, if that's what you wanna call it. Like I was saying in the video, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one or not. But yeah, anyway, just got back from my grandparents' house, and I don't know, got some Chipotle and sat over there with them, spoke some. Opened these 2 jackets or coats, whatever you want to call them. Neither of them are really great, but this one may do. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. We'll see. And all I really have planned for the rest of the day is just my night workout and looking at some TV. What's today? Thursday? So yeah, I don't know what's really coming on TV tonight, but yeah, I'll probably show you guys some of my night workout, and then that'll really be it for these few days in my life. I know it wasn't that interesting. It's kind of like an at-home few days in my life, since, I don't know, it's the times we're in quarantining and stuff. But yeah, I think that concludes this part, and I'll probably end it with my night workout, and I'll see you guys in the next video.